The danger of visualization. Do not visualize until you watch this video. There is a danger in visualization as you know it. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and if you want to attract what you want, here's what has to happen. Let's dive right into this video. What do you use visualizing for? Something you want, right? So it's easy to think or go into a visualization and actually block what it is that you want. Everything is energy. Reality is a projection of consciousness. Your consciousness is what determines what you experience in life, right? Right? Just joking. Making sure you're with me. So, what happens when most people visualize? They push what they want into the future. My life changed when I stopped. I thought in visualization it was supposed to be like daydreaming. You just lie there and you imagine your life the way that you want it to be. But if you do that, what you're really saying to your subconscious mind is whatever the image is. It's an image of whatever it is that you're visualizing. But if you're passively, idly wishing of it, you're saying to your subconscious mind, I do not have this thing. Your subconscious mind doesn't know what you do or do not want. It just responds to the frequency or the energy that you are broadcasting from your own consciousness. So how we're taught to visualize is to think of images or think of pictures that you want, that hopefully you'll get sometime. But if you stay in that mode, what you're really saying is, this thing that I want, hopefully one day I get it. So your subconscious says, you don't have this thing, you do not have this thing. And then you keep pushing it further and further and further away from you. So the point of visualization is to call upon not a reality that doesn't exist, but a reality that does exist. You've just yet to experience it with your physical senses. Energy is never created or destroyed. That's what science says. So comment that down below. Energy is never created or destroyed. Comment that down below. Energy is never created or destroyed. So if energy is never created or destroyed, what you want already exists. You just can't see it yet. But if you go and you visualize, man, I'd really like to meet my soulmate. And you do this great visualization. What you're really saying is that thing I just visualized, it'd be great if I had it one day, but I don't have it now. So your subconscious continues to create that. So the danger is in not understanding that visualization is actually an active process. It's an active process. Like for instance, what I'm inviting you to do is imagine a lemon. And I want you to close your eyes and I want you to imagine chewing into a lemon. Like actually you cut it open, you could smell it, and you're chewing on the lemon. Like actually see it and feel it. See, if you take a few moments and you actually do that, and you legitimately imagine you're chewing on a lemon, what happens? You start salivating. Why? Because it's really acidic and it's really bitter, so you're getting more saliva in there to try to dilute the acidity of it. It didn't actually happen, but you had a physiological sensation as if it happened. So what I'm inviting you to do is think of visualization like that. Can you create a physiological sensation that whatever it is that you want is already occurring right now? So what I would do is I would imagine this YouTube channel blowing up. I used to do that, but I wasn't getting the results. Until all of a sudden, I started realizing that visualization was an active process. So I had this one image, I'd replay like refreshing my browser, my YouTube channel going viral, all these things like that. And I would do that and I would think of the images. But it's not the image, it's the feeling. Because the law of attraction says that like energy attracts like energy. So wherever your energy is, not what you're visualizing, but what you are in terms of your vibration, That's what determines what you attract back to you. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Comment that down below. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Comment that down below. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Comment that down below. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Meaning, what are you? You're just energy. You're just a vibration. You don't get what you want. You could want something, but if you haven't assumed it in vibration, if you haven't become it in consciousness, you cannot attract it. Because the universe works through the law of attraction. Like energy attracts like energy. So I had to start being already in the reality of this YouTube channel going viral. I had to be in the reality of all of these great things, my channel going viral. So I would try to evoke as much emotion as I possibly could to it. I would see like epic people writing me and saying like that they were suicidal and telling me this crazy emotional story, and like my videos changed their life. I'd see someone writing me this epic story about attracting their soulmate, someone healing themselves from an illness or an obstacle in their life, whether it be emotional or whether it be financial. I would like things that would make me tear up. That's what I wanted. I wanted this channel to be an instrument to inspire millions of people. So I became it in my own energy. Like I would leave these visualizations like, oh my gosh, babe, Ashley, my wife, you won't believe what just happened, because it felt like it was real. It felt like it actually happened. Because if you can make yourself salivate over a lemon that doesn't exist, you could also fire new nerve cells and new brain cells by getting emotionally involved in new visualizations or new images. So I could feel as if and evoke all the gratitude and excitement of financial success. I could do the same with love. Now the reason this is important is because every time you have a thought or emotion, you fire nerve cells. You fire brain cells. So you feel the sensation, I feel the sensation of this overwhelming excitement for my YouTube channel blowing up. I'm firing nerve cells, I'm firing brain cells. Well, guess what happens? They start to wire together. It's called Hebb's Law. Nerve cells, brain cells that fire together, wire together. Your brain has all these neural circuits in it. That basically, it's similar to you building a home and you flip the switch in the master bedroom to make the lights come on, but the lights don't come on. You call the electrician, hey, why aren't the lights coming on? I flipped the switch. Oh, I forgot to do that room. I forgot to put the electrical circuits. I forgot to go program the room to flip the switch and make the lights come on. Now, I'm not an electrician, but so they literally did not come into the master bedroom, and they didn't go put all the electrical circuits to make the lights come on. But it works in the kitchen. Oh, because they finished the kitchen, but they didn't finish the master bedroom. The house has electrical circuits set up to operate and turn certain switches on. Similarly, your brain has electrical circuits set up to produce a certain reality. And your brain is malleable. It's moldable, meaning you can change your brain. You can make your brain wired to the reality that you want. So I went from, I hope one day I'll inspire millions of people and it'd be really nice, I'm working towards it, to I'm already doing it. My statement was, I'm a world-renowned thought leader inspiring millions of people. I felt it in my body, and my brain started thinking it was real. Then my videos started going viral, my everything started changing in my life. So when you use your visualization, it should really be called a feelingation, right? The reason I say that, it should be called a feelingation, because if you don't feel it, you cannot have it. Because all feeling is energy. And you don't get what you want, you get what you are. The moment you start feeling it is the moment that you start changing your vibration, and the universe starts bringing different things that match that feeling. I could know what I want. I could know I want money, I could know I want love, I could know I want adventure, I could know I want new experiences, but intellectually knowing it isn't the same as experiencing it. So I could know what I want, but be attracting the opposite. I want money, but I'm focused on the fact that it's not here, or I'm feeling frustrated. I could want love, but I'm frustrated about it. because everything is two things: what you want or the absence of what you want. And we're taught to visualize, think of what you want. But as soon as you think of what you want, you're already implying in consciousness that it doesn't yet exist, or it's in the future and hopefully you can obtain it, and you're using visualization to hopefully one day get it. But the coolest thing is you can feel it now. In fact, when you feel it now, that's what changes your brain to produce a different reality for you. So I titled this video, "The Dangers of Visualization. Do not try until you watch this." Because it's very dangerous if you go into visualization without knowing that. Because otherwise you keep actually using visualization to attract more of what you don't want, to continue to push your desires away from you. So comment down below, everything is energy. Comment down below, everything is energy. Now your emotions are how you're gonna feel the new energy. So use this in visualization. Watch this video one more time through before you go and visualize, so that you can remember, okay, I'm gonna feel it. Now you can use little prompts, like you could imagine the lemon and see if you can start salivating, just to be like, okay, if I could do that, now let me replace another image. Let me replace the image in my mind of money that I want. Now, let me use that same process that made me salivate. Let me do it to get so excited and high-fiving my friends and jumping up and down that I finally changed my financial life. You could do the same thing with your soulmate. Produce the excitement and the emotion and the overwhelming sense of love as if it's happened. That's what triggers your brain, that not only this is what you want, but it already exists. Then the brain starts pulling those things back to you, because your brain is broadcasting your vibration out. And then you start pulling different things back to you. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you really want to amplify your visualization power and your manifestation power, I created a technology called the Second Mind. The Second Mind is a technology designed to do that retraining of your brain. The first mind is the part of the brain that's all wired. The mind's all wired to, the way society's programmed us and our old limitations, our limiting beliefs. The second mind is your mind, that's your brain, that's wired for what you want. So you can attract what you want easily. Life becomes fluid, and the things that you want come to you. It's as if they want you too, because you get a fluidity in your attraction. And it's right there down below. It's free to demo. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. That's thesecondmind.com right there down below. So if you go there down below right now, The Second Mind, you can demo it for free to train your brain to start rewiring it for what you really want. I call that the second mind, out of the first mind into the second mind. It's right there down below, thesecondmind.com right there down below. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, even if you're already subscribed. Just double check you've actually hit that bell notification right over there on the side. Otherwise, I don't know why, but for whatever reason, you don't get notified for new videos. So make sure you hit the bell notification, like this video, hit like right over there to send this out into the YouTube universe, and comment down below. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. You get what you are. And what are you? Your energy. So your present vibration is what you attract. And visualization is the best key to change your vibration. But it can also be very dangerous if you keep pushing your images, your desires into the future of, man, this would be great if I get it. No. It's time to possess it in consciousness right now. So The Second Mind right there down below. Have an absolutely beautiful day. Watch this video again if it speaks to you. Go like this, put a smile on your face. Life is beautiful. Great things are about to occur. They are occurring, and life is on your side.